delegates and to the students. The contents are characteristics, properties of nanoferroelectrics, nanomagnetic materials, multiferroids, applications of nanomaterials after various devices, justification for initializing this research, synthesizing of nanocrystalline ferrites, details, controlling factor, controlling condition, the structural studies, discussion, results and conclusion. Next. First of all, the concept of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a new concept where the material is controlled on a nanometer scale, and at this scale they exhibit different physical, chemical and biological properties, and nanotechnology is the formation of -9 is shown temperature, ferroelectric and electric parameters. These are comprised by lead, zirconium titanate, lead titanate, radium titanate, etc. And ferromagnetic properties are shown by coercivity, remanence, Curie's temperature, magnetic saturation. These can be shown by cadmium, nickel, iron oxide. Next. This is a multiferroid material. It is a new example of a nanocrystalline material which shows a coexistence of the ferromagnetic as well as ferroelectric property in a single material. Next. As we know that there are a large number of uses of nanoferromaterials. These are in the form of nanotubes, in ferrofluids, etc. for nanoscale imaging spectroscopy. Next. These are different uses as we use in laptops. Next. In dielectric resonator. Next. In memory devices. Next. Now this is my paper is based on this, the justification of initializing the nanomaterial research in Bihar. As earlier there have been a large number of discoveries in the field of microscience, but people of Bihar have been taking a backseat. So we have decided to prepare nanomaterial in Bihar. Proposes a synthesis of a salt gel preparation of nanocrystalline, and we have prepared lead, zirconium titanate. The other material which can be prepared from this. As we change the percentage of titanium and zirconium, we get different types of materials of lead, zirconium, titanate, and all these have a purpose type structure. Next. Normally, before the Curie's temperature, what happens? The lead, titanium or zirconium shift in such a manner that it produces a dipole moment, and therefore it is used as a ferroelectric material. Also, the bottom-up approach of the nanomaterial, similar shown by in the previous experiment, that we have mixed the solutions, then we have done sintering, drying, and after that we have formed the thin film of nanomaterial. Next. Sintering is important because if sintering is not properly done, we will not get a proper structural characteristics by XRD and SEM, that is spectroscopic electron microscopy, TEM is tunneling electron microscopy, FTIR is Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy and optical spectroscopy. XRD shows that it has the structure of a perovskite structure. SEM shows that the grain size is similar to that of a nanomaterial. TEM also shows that there are no agglomeration in the material. FTIR shows that infrared absorb at visible or ultraviolet frequency we have the increase in sintering temperature. This is the photograph of PZT. Next. This is another photograph of barium titanate. Next. So discussion is that this is a most important property that it is making more popular, that the temperature is very low, it is within 200 degrees Celsius, and therefore if temperature is low, then energy is saved and it requires less maintenance. Next. But yet the result is best, and this nanomaterial and this so that we people of Bihar can be proud to be the manufacturer of nanomaterial in our common laboratory. Thank you. The organizers and the learned audience.
Any question?
Now preparing the material, we haven't till now we haven't done the X-ray diffraction. We are in a process of manufacturing the material on our class. We have imported it from Merck Laboratory, Germany.
Somebody asked me.
Yes, sir. This zirconium, isoprotoxide and titanium isoprotoxide both are imported material.
Can you get it readily, or problem in getting this material?
Sir, the most important problem that which is that the money problem, and that money problem is very high temperature, that is 600 to 700 degrees Celsius.